Ungamsa. Today, chapter 3, metals and non-metals. Sende chuba gaji ki metals and non-metals kola yeshui. Any lobze sumbade, any lobze sumbadi harisna metals and non-metals. The metals and non-metals kala nye number sola mangbo shugo yamare. Karchenisina Zenda gubala number soke kare changbarisina elements changbare. Any elements densu mangochma chang yudusene elements dike any metals and non-metals la classify chudwa. Any numbers you can give and the many metals and non-metals la batachina di zenda gabala any metals and non-metals di mangshi marketing chen zin gabane chang sabre. And cheza that dige zenda gabage metals and non-metals dige kesi. Number two, any captive to Jang Mabashina, any Zendikeva Galote, Yarcheni, any young Yochi Dinama, Jaloshinanda, any Makimachi, Maresh, Le Lavuyore, the Lopes and Belle Lavuyore. The metals tongue, non metals like D, any Nigi Dinama Ludichivachina, and Tambuding on to Karsam Tangre Slavachina, metals tongue, non metals ki, physical properties sticking on Zuki. Miki karthon digi thama kharisna physical properties. That physical properties of metals and non-metals. The metals tang non-metals la di yawamachingela elements karimbati muso. Elements it is a pure substance. It is a pure substance. These elements are made up of same kind of atom. That is why elements are pure substance. Elements like the atom any elements like the pure substance. That indicate element the elements in sona the digitala step nibadilla any carligrisina any elements the metal rede non-metal redes like yawache this step nibadri Tandalanzuki metals ki physical properties tigalanzuki and tishikagi the metal physical properties nalone tango that Tandangazuki laptana meduzane, any sosoki nanga yuduzane, any karnangurusina, and the numbers of yangula, any metals karikaritu sida. Metals like say iron, char, Euro, Sagasian charva. Okay, then copper, sang. Then sang in Nijayuna, sang it thing you know, or the Jigi sang. Oh, dine careers na silver and dinangshi gold ser. Oh, ta serge digage and the main big any day penashana the board the career tuberesina chale tubereshas fiber board mare the chale board chale tuba and dine dela aluminium pa the board the carriage the carbon characteristic is aluminium. These are some common metals that you will find at your home. These are common metals. The common metals iron, copper, gold, silver, gold, aluminium. These are the common metals that you will find at your home. That the common metals dige. The thambu step thambu khare take a sandpaper. 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 Sandpaper any shugu chiche nangula robro view de your shugu shure. And one dig this chitar, mango darema, this chitarna. Number two, all these metals they have a general property. Property the metal and their surface gives lots of shine. Surface any and this property of metals that it shines when light falls on them. This is called as a metallic luster. I think I do have this, right? Metallic luster. All metals are lustrous. Metals are lustrous rays. Right? At pure state, all metals are lustrous. But generally, what we see is that these metals, they lose their luster due to the protective layer formed around their surface. Conjugate surface ke thala protective layer chili undu chane any metals dige any worthy metallic luster the yet word. Ta inike pure state la metal changma any lustrous rays. Odu chene kungge nam rays shuni and di khachas na activity thangbud she. Activity thangbud she. Activity thangbud she. Chapter sumba into 3.1 che. Ta dine ma ching chene activity niba dila 3.2 la kharnang dire slaughter chena. Okay. Ta dine manzuki niba dila khare property niba tayala kharchisna take a sharp knife. Taya chin no puch ki yong cheni. Okay, try to cut this iron copper wire dinde use na copper wire dinde to be thapsitang. Okay, silver wire dinde silver dinde ya rubber china denso khare to be thapsitang da aluminum che. Ra gold da to gumare. Ra silver ke to gumachun ke ma gold silver ine ngamsu ke iron, copper, aluminum, and the member metal you need the metal sheba zinc granule down the rayana and then to be kitapshitanga. Okay, metal to be kitapshitanga. Do you think can you cut these metals? Ra tuk the thugre ta ine manzuki shukya tuk thugra ine chirdangi normal state chigla generally metals tige tuk thugumundo. So we can say that these metals are hard. Metals tige property khares na nibati hardness nangone all metals are hard. The hard and soft lie the kadis ewa chigre zero tupal nganzo jambare. Hard and soft lie if you can rather make a scratch on it, scratches, rust scratch nganzo pagala ani dichina ani nganzo ge darbata sina metal chiki darbata sina sugi kawala ani parchi shatu du. Oh, scratches shatu du. Oh, the digit scratches shatu me di any karcharsina metal the hard char. Scratch lamsa chagi mevdachina those metals. Rather, scratch lamsa chagi mevdachina those metals are hard. Scratch lamsa chagi those metals are softer. All metals their hardness. The hardness they metal to metal it depends. So due to that the hardness style har chiki darsuna sug go parji shagi metada. Oh, parji shatumye di harder. Parji shamatumye di and softer. Oh, those chesa hardness right. All metals, the hardness la all metals are hard. The metals sama dichi hard rays la dichane that digging on the activity 3.2 activity 3.2 la any sharp knife chiki digi tubadachina tuptugu metayusana tuptugu mindos metal mabuchi la any remokyo tugumarwa. Oh, the dish remote dichane digana khare scratches in the side chai tugumare. So all the remote china and the cockachara metals are hard. Metal the tapur yes consulate. That metal tapur ladusane garchel is ladusande metal scratches shatugu metals the soft scratches shatugu metals hard metal manches scratches shamatu and metals tickets hard rays. That metal sangma hard be kawatal and this samushta. Any sodium and potassium changes, right? Sodium and potassium. there are exception is na sodium tang potassium ta dige number 2 ge nang la ragi mare ta dige dewa nga science lab la lab da sina science lab ne ani tong be ju tang che ni potassium da sodium la de kerosene wal shegre kerosene wal sha go junje khare kerosene acts as a layer between these reactive metals and the air the reactive metal parula any kerosene ki layer action it cannot react. Correct. Otherwise, if you expose these metals to the air, it will burn. Columnsa air yam the reaction air yam the burn chit columnsa me part mesin ye tho the go chugre all the jaza dinde ki metal chimane ya tong be chu tang chine ya bo chin ya le sanum na ya de and dine filter paper be chu tang ya bo chin ju and de le ina ga chu ke lab ki ra on du chin and that this in teach ki on chin and ko dinde ma tup da this metal can be cut with knife metal dige sodium tang potassium la dige and thi ma tup thup res ma chu churul lo ma tup ki wa dinang si chen tup thup res and to be lelo te gamza yo mata and to chaw the kora metal surface ta very lustrous very shining surface jeza o dindagi metal di any exception is shema all metals are hard metals sama hardless ya mercury to chashana mercury room temperature khare it is at liquid state right oh yeah dusche that the nanzuge sharp knife chiki yong chene cutting it on we decided that all metals are hard metals are hard imanzuge kungi che yeah that the nanzuge metallic property sumbo de mados yeah again take same iron copper any aluminum these are very common metals and available here any aluminum the copper that is sama rara bale and o dige sama ki hoche na sumo dira khalis na hammer ki yo che the hammer and thoa ki yo che ni ani denzu kan kharchilan dungas denzu kan chik dungda matter denzu kan la thema sumne nga por shuda sum shi jingyi sum shi nga lan ra digam zaba thoa dog dungda tapo chi surface tapo chi ga shan ra yana cha ni por shan dungda ra o du dung chen ta da dige metal sama khare observe chi you will see that these metals they can be beaten into thin sheet la ma nga ju ki level so to re che ta dine ke level so to na the property dil khala gore es na malleability la property dil khala es na malleability any malleability all metals are all metals are malleable. Metals sama malleable ratios. Metals sama khartusna malleable ratios. Ta only anzuki malleability. Malleability is the property of metal that it can be beaten into thin sheet. Thin sheet lama pat kora tap aluminum foil did to remare on the foil did ma so to gold foil aluminum foil any copper foil the khande all those just the property chilwansugi malleability metal sama yeah exception denzo rajar exception right all those that the anzugi ta dung to be diche ta dung to dichela maras namji samta dung to ki yobdachina metals these metals can be drawn into wires right metal the wire la pa the dos anzugi 타포텐 것도 전 템버다시나 메탈스 디카르차스나 아니 숙침부드는 머신 숙침부드는 테나 아니 고카리 걸고 가르차스나 쿠번은 시 차용으로 제자 the property of metals that it can be drawn into wire is called as a ductility the new property 지는 먼저 따라서나 ductility okay any all metals all metals are ductile. Metals are ductile except these sodium, potassium, calcium, and they are the consola digi malleability ductility digi mare. Okay, so from these properties like malleability, properties like ductility, and properties like hardness, luster, because of these properties we can give metal say desired shape according to our own need. Ngaranso the need la pabeki any metal chila ganso ki shape kharisu gum show gum chakam suye and chaksho suye any aluminum foil dinde suye ngaranso la khar deba yone and sarga suye odiki sama the property dige ki those right and the property dige ki ma the correct metal ki property dige ki and ganso khar res na and ra metal the different shape diameter ganso ki ngaranso need la pabeki suye is and cheza ductility 3.4 activity ganso ki lokte nanglo activity phangdi ni ore activity deso sansam thego 3.1 na karde 3.2 3.3 3.4 o deso la khal khare yume dige and duksen dege ta di jela ganso ki activity next activity di ra activity 3.5 ni ma ganso ko chu de sina ta kharchi lapsuna metal ki any ganso ki metal rod dinde bring some metal rod khashe ki yong cheni any metal rod pena aluminum rod copper rod any karto iron rod wo de ki yong and the metal rod dige sama kadajin stand chik tu chen and digala stand so ma to ne kheyo mare any saja thosa jila saba ni porula any iron rod sha any iron rod digi tsedela kharchi na thangbu gona iron rod denju kala kharchi thampin roirwa thampin kiyong yangla gi thipojap digal thampin kusulo jar yangyo thiponi badjap ya ko distance kanju ge ani digam ja ra sources shan digam sha cheni and rela ani kharchala na yangla thikpa kyabni and thambin jergi dinde chene thambin sumshi charda digal kharchala na thambin chikche thambin niche thambin sumche thambin shi on du sin charda ta metal rod du chene ro ta metal rod du su yo thambin jar chene endi dela manjo ki saba shagi yene sabani ponul shagi yene eni dine stand lang yene digilang chen tipurula metal rod duksha ta dine khachila na dela meta candle para dusi candle dusi dokchen manzo ki candle chipan shada khare chigrisna slowly what happens diga ganjun dimple conductivity jai ba o dusi khali khachigrisna thangbu dima sangireji dine dima sangi dine du chen parama du chen sangi dura tina dorsa thangbu dima sangi niba di sangi ra sumba di sai ra o dide chen that what does this show? That heat gets transferred through this rod, the iron rod division. Iron rod, yana copper rod, yana aluminum rod, and then so rod conductivity conductivity le ya metal, different metal possess different the ability of conducting. Conductivity ability manda higher. Oh, this. 제가 데네스타 수나간저 가래 액티비티 디치투구다 제가 데네게 액티비티 시다 데네 간저 활동 그러스나 컨덕티비티 하고 그래스 나바디 conductivity all metals are all metals are good conductor. Metals sama good conductor rishas. Metals sama good conductor rishas. Ta ganzu ki conductivity ne ganzu dus ha khore. ta inege metals like lead remare metals like lead tang metals like say mercury lead tang mercury den strong any kharis na they are poor conductor of heat ki poor conductor but metals like copper metals like silver they are good conductor of heat ki conductor best conductor kharis na copper tang and silver that is the best conductor o dus chang 제가 다 되게 가르쳤으나 physical properties 따라 physical properties 가지고 metals are खर्चा lustrous metals are hard metals are malleable metals are ductile metals are good conductor इन्हें के गांजो की silver थांग mercury लाए silver लाते से lead थांग mercury लाए दिखे इन खर्चा असला ना दिखे दी यानी poor conductor conduct चिकिर दे इन्हें poor conductor रेशा उन्हीं गांजो activity देते चिकिर थोड़ा हाकु दोस रा तब देते चिकु चिकिया यार activity next activity यहाँ नंबर जो के नंगला लम्सा टूप टूप करे खंडेस तीछी लम्सा टेस्टर चिस्स so केवल टेस्टर सोता जांग रहा टेस्टर चिस्स टेस्टर खंडेस सोता ना there is a battery check see we have a battery here battery दुख check any battery लगी तो ने 2 or more cells को रहा 2 or more cells रहा वो दुख check and दिने सु दुख से ने दिने wires दुख स्टांग रहा and wire की तेरे crocodile clip चिक्सा crocodile clip लेते clip दिने चुरे जाके सोचा क्योंकि रहा and दिगना दे substance नो को जुरा वो धुलो clip या दिने सिपकी की जाके सोचा क्योंकि clip चुर वो दिने crocodile clip दिने से and दिने दूसरे ने देला कार शाला ना bulb चिक्सा bulb मानसू की bulb yeah and bulb ने तो से ने crocodile clip चे था देला कार insert metal देला metals del insert chida metals del daud china any kharcha pena metal del insert china kharcha bulb ti bargirwa remare ta metal main ba sheba plastic ta pencil ta dinde garbage china bargi marwa ta pencil chongi jen shop ta china any ya bargirwa and pencil ki nangno ti graphite la china good conductor da okay pencil lead la ma shu ko ngane ge metal lead la di mare ko khare graphite re on dus 제가 다 디기 conductivity test 인데 쓰다 그다 테스트 인데 서치 네 metal 상마 아니 the current flow 치투고 되는데 metal 그니 electricity pass 치투고 되는데 세브라시나 metal 상마 खारतसना conductivity या खरे conductivity ला all metals good conductor रदा good conductor of the heat and electricities the heat the electricity nature की good conductor ratios all metals are good conductor of heat and electricity the dinde jige activity dinde search ne lamsa to be h the dux dub chene any nganjo kharso to gursana metals dige good conductor of heat and electricity himba nganjo kungi chi res ra the di mayembe ge ya nganjo ki metals the activity chi ya metals dige metal koran dux ki yo chene metals dige any hard surface chi kan shuda if you heat this metal on a hard surface there's another activity say activity 3.7 meters there activity 3.7 la hard surface chi hard surface chi kan la metal de shuda what do you here raken jo khar khugure ke shukchim gura tang tang la ju ke gure mare o dinju kudu chane metals they are kardo sonorous ra metals sonorous as metals all metals are sonorous. On the surface go shue the current check sonority. Sonority is the property of metal that it gives ringing sound when we strike on it. Kogan strike chidu chana koge ringing sound chite tungi chiyobra china dindi chila gancho khala usana sonority is the property sonority like the property re and all metals are sonorous. Ta gancho khacha sunga bane tupa chasa tupa oh ducheni these are say some of the physical properties of metals. Metals ke gancho ke physical properties te so and they rest chuyeche. That the metal physical properties and what about non-metals? Non-metals color any carsular is the metal than non-metal so you the physical properties. The physical properties of metals is of metals. Physical properties of metals metals are lustrous, metals are hard, metals are malleable, metals are ductile, metals are good conductor of heat, metals are good conductor of electricity, metals are metals are sonorous. All those metal. The many we can see that metals they have a high melting point. Melting point and melting point, high melting point, the good conductor heat uses cooking utensils metals so and the main big good conductor electricity into wire the aluminum wire, copper wire, and the aluminum, the copper wire, the silver wire, the gold wire, dindena legria computer namgi circuit dindena mangona leungure what is tang ta ta mang chi kar cha tu sna in metal ge in conduct chiwa good conduct in between say all those when I talk about or when okay so now let's talk about physical properties of non-metal. Non-metal ge physical properties ganchu shift achi na ta non-metals digi khare non-metals they are dull in luster. Luster shining property metals are generally dull in luster except iodine. Iodine like they call shine the shine chili machine metallic luster yomare on to say that iodine some mando shemba non metals ticket sama hardsuna any dull in luster the bad called dull shas lustrous mena dull shas opposite to non-metal physical property chiche. The non-metal physical property hardness non-metals. Non-metals they are soft. And hardness non-metal they are brittle. Brittle they breaks down into pieces. Pieces break down chesa non-metal. The non-metal carbon non-metal any sulfur non-metal carbon che sulfur che dezu phosphorus che ra o dezu ra any o dezu activity the chinta da dike samalan sama khachatumsna ship chatu and then this they cannot hardness sometimes in many of the science book they have written that diamond is a non-metal, right? Diamond is non-metal race, that is the hardest known substance. But here what I want to say is that diamond is not an element. Diamond the element is na remindua. Element mena any metal the non-metal. Cheza diamond the pashane to go. Taine diamond the karchin ki yong ya. Diamond is a pure substance. Pure substance, yes, it is a pure substance. Why it is a pure substance? Because diamonds are made up of only carbon atoms ki yaar sojo reshas. The carbon atoms ki sojo ki element chila carbon lagiri machine, tinde element chila diamond lagi mare. Oh, ta inike diamond the carbon chikpa ki sojo yundu diamond de carbon chasa. Oh, the diggy Junzeki on the Petchin, yet on digital labyrinth machine. Chitangi man the zigime. Diamond Laduzane, Yako non-metal zigime. Non-metal seal and yellow it has to be element. On the Nigisaman Kyungu, that diamond the hardest known substance, race the exception of Kashik Labkide. Okay, let's accept it. Run, accept Chioda Chine, Kawata came into Inege 소소기 담자들 마셔로 거래 담자 가래스나 다이몬드 라이드 엘리멘트 말에 제작고 메탈다 난 메탈 이거 직 말이라 근데 내 이거 제고 준다 잘라 망보징 안 줘야 룩두고 말와 okay like that the non-metals they are soft and non-metals they are brittle non-malleable non-metals are non-ductile non-metal की दिन के सोए यो मारे the conductivity लगे शेप रचना non-metals कौन सो non-metals दिखे ना वो ने या they bring this graphite या graphite the diamond लाए थे carbon के allotropes रे मशीन carbon मारे रा carbon ये ना element रा रे मारे इन्हें के देंसो टांग graphite लने रे diamond लने रे Buckminster fluorine लने रे यानी lime black लने रे देंसो सामा carbon ने डूबरे रा carbon ले डूबरे ता carbon लाए थी carbon atom ले डूबरे ओ दुख से निकाल जो कि ये बनाओ ना शुए ये ता यार देला कौन सा खाला उसना graphite क्यों graphite दिखे सामा खारसन they are good conductor of electricity की good conductor है रा इन चेज़ा graphite लाए थे कौन सा exception नहीं गिरे इन्हें क्या मान जो कि non metal सामा यानी धीरे तो लेना रदा poor conductor of electricity and heat लना ठीक तो ता non metals दिखे sonorous चे हमारे non metals दिखे यानी 턱 लगा 먼저 강지고 쉬다 턱 लगा 탭지고 쉬다 턱 लगा दिनं 시전에 non metals they cannot give a ringing sound and the metal 지가 쉬나 띵 구라 레말 제상 안 주기 랍다 벨든 sama metal 가진 수에 plastic 수는 찍다 띵 소무다 metal 가진 수에 그 ringing sound 야포테 두고여자 metal 수요래 and the men에게 공박하 되어라 아니 진짜기 벨 침부 되는 도와 저스는 저 벨 침부 되는 sama 가릭 수요르스나 metal 수요래도 metal 되게 ringing sound 여자 கொஞ்சம் 되는 수요래스 non metals sensola any ringing sound meza non metals 되게 any non sonorous so these are physical properties of metals and non-metals right the telling on so the 당분 넘어가 physical properties of metals and non-metals 잖아 말해 그래서 any number any happy stay at home 도치나